In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to tap on Apps over here. Then scroll again to tap on App Clone and use weight switcher next to any app you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on the no blue switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!